Hello friends, my name is Khushbu Jhawar and today we are going to see that how investing is better than saving. Why saving is important. Saving money typically means it is available when it is needed and it has a low risk of losing value. Saving in bank account can handle the unexpected financial emergencies. Savings are made to fulfill short-term and urgent requirements. How to save money? Number 1. Know your needs whenever you save, which will motivate you every time. Number 2. Put a deadline. Number 3. Track your savings. 4 steps towards the process of saving and investing. Number 1. Create a habit of saving forever. Number 2. Create an emergency fund of money. Number 3. Invest and earn more money with saved money. Number 4. Start your journey to become rich. How much of returns do you get when you are saving money? No or less. This is where investing becomes important. Let's talk about investing now. Now imagine if you have seeds in both of your hands. You plant the seeds on the left hand and keep the other hand seeds in the cupboard. After a few years, when you see the seed which you planted and watered daily gives good fruits and flowers, and the seed inside cupboard is almost the same or maybe even worse. The same example relates with saving and investing. Planting a seed relates with starting an investment. Fruits and flowers become assets after a few years. The seeds in cupboard represent saving, which gives less or no result. Investing works only if you plan for long term. Short-term investments will not give you any profits. Every person has the desire to gain and the fear of loss. The difference between both defines a person's investing personality and determines the level of risk they are willing to take. Example: when you are at the age of 20 to 25, when you start earning, your parents are responsible for basic survival. There is no person who is dependent on you. So there are very high chances of taking risk in investment. In other case, when you are 35 to 40 years, you have kids, parents who are dependent on you for basic needs and expenses. At this stage, you cannot risk your expenses. You can invest your money either in low or moderate risk. Investment is just a part. Let's talk about inflation now. What is inflation? As the amount of years increases, the inflation also increases. Let's understand this better with an example. In 1990, a lot could happen in 5 rupees. But now, what can we get in 5 rupees? Because the inflation rate increases, there is no use of saving money. Saving money is used when you plan of short-term goals or emergencies. But you cannot expect a profit over this. How to beat inflation? Bank gives you interest of around 6 to 8%. Each bank has its own rate of interest. Inflation rate running currently is 3 to 4%. If you invest your money in bank, you can beat inflation and earn some profit over it. But if you save and keep your money at home, you might end up in losses in few years because money kept in house will give you a low value later. Saving is important, but it works only if you have a plan of investing somewhere. We will see a few more investments which beats inflation with more than 8%. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.